Prashant, and we now get you details of how from Patna to Delhi to Surat, BJP workers have been protesting against the abusive language that was used against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This during Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra in poll-bound state of Bihar. In Delhi, BJP chief and other MLAs led a protest demanding an apology from Rahul Gandhi. They broke through the barricades and were eventually dispersed by the police using water cannons. BJP workers in Surat also staged protests but were lathi-charged by the cops. On Friday, BJP supporters in Bihar held a massive protest outside the Congress office in Patna, demanding an unconditional apology. The protest that turned violent, leading to clashes between BJP and Congress workers, with police stepping in to control the situation. The protest resulted in property damage, including broken windows and vehicles at the Congress office. Earlier, a local Congress supporter was arrested by the cops in the case. The arrested man has been identified as Mohammad Naushad, a resident of Bhopura village under the Jale Assembly constituency.
It is very disgusting that the Congress leaders, those who don't have any proof against the things we are saying in their yatra, their official stage, the person of their party are abusing Prime Minister and the mother of the Prime Minister, sir. It's not tolerable. The people of India are feeling very frustrated, and we are demanding apology from the Rahul Gandhi, Khadke ji and Sonia Gandhi ji. They can understand that politics is something different, but a mother should be on an honor place. So we are demanding apology from Rahul Gandhi ji.
I think this is a very natural reaction of the kind of language which has been used against for a female, for a mother, and that too mother of Prime Minister of this nation. It is not, I think it is not insult of a female or PM. I think it is an insult every citizen of this country. Insult of the female of this country. I think it is unfortunate. It is, I think, I never ever imagined that the level and the language in politics will stoop to such levels. It is absolutely unacceptable, unfortunate, and people will not forgive.
What you see right now behind me is a protest that the Delhi BJP is staging against the statements made towards the mother of the Prime Minister of India. This protest is largely against the Congress party. You can see there are cutouts of Rahul Gandhi, and this protest is an attack against the Congress especially. Politics aside, you cannot abuse a woman, you cannot abuse a mother. That's why you see the kind of protest that the BJP is right now doing here at the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. You can see the placards, you can see the banners very categorically pointing it out. One thing, they're seeking apology from the Congress party, from Rahul Gandhi, from Kharge, from Sonia Gandhi. You cannot abuse a mother is what the BJP is saying.